I am working with Fabienne Vallée from Port of Brest to organize a workshop about new green fuels. Energy transition is a core strategy of the European Commission with challenging steps to decarbonize the maritime transport. The ports are cornerstone of the strategy, and to reach their goal, they have to working together with shipping companies and energy industries. They have to align their own transition plan with realistic steps. The workshop we propose aims at giving an overview of the issues related to hydrogen. It will illustrate them with case studies from Atlantic and North Sea areas. The workshop will be divided in 2 sessions. So the first session is about strategy, regulation and procedure from production to final use. The second session deals with sustainability and security of hydrogen sourcing. The workshop is particularly suited for ports and regional authorities. Come and meet us at CITEC Week from 15 to 17 October in Brest. It's an international event you can't miss.